An idea is forming.
We will put the blocks together this way. This way. Aha! Aha!
Oh, look! He's being so careful.
Now the baby bird has a safe home again.
Who's that peeking around the corner with a mischievous grin?
Oh no! That's not a good idea.
What is Bear doing?
Look at this! Ooh!
Look at all the colorful drawings.
Look at this!
Oh no!
Oh no! Look at this! What is this? Narrator! Labrador found a clue. What's in your bag, Bear? Nothing, Labrador. Look at this. This paint will make it look as good as new. Oh, all right.
Oh no! The beautiful colors are disappearing.
Bear worked very hard to paint the whole fence. Oh, what a lot of work!
It looks perfect, Bear. Look! Bear is happy in the park. What a lovely day!
Oh no!
The red cap lost its momentum.
Oh no! It's so high!
Oh no! The cap is too high.
Oh no! My cap is stuck!
I know. I will call for help.
Officer Labrador here. Oh no! My hat is stuck! I see. Don't worry, I'm on my way. Officer Labrador hung up the phone. He knew exactly where to go.
Oh, Labrador, you're here. Sheriff Labrador is setting up a tall ladder. Be careful, Officer Labrado.
Oh, no.
Look, the red cap is stuck.
Here you go, little guy.
Oh, my cap.
Hooray!
Look, it's Bear, walking happily in the park. Oh boy, a refreshing drink on a warm day. This is so good. Oh no, it's empty. What should I do with this can? Oh no! Look at this! Look, what do we see here? Oh dear. It looks like someone forgot something. Look, a trash can. Oh no, a soda can. You did it, Bear. Thank you.
You're welcome. You're welcome. Black Bear was enjoying his day.
What is that?
A loud sound came from the bushes. There's a monster inside. He was terrified.
Bear, why are you hiding? Shh. There's a loud monster.
Oh! That sound? That's not a monster, buddy. That's the sound of a cicada. A? What? What? Come, I'll show you.
Don't worry, little bear. Come on.
Is it safe?
Look at this. It's coming.
Relax. They're tiny insects.
Look, everyone. It's a friendly brown cicada. He loves crawling on this big green leaf in the park.
That's the monster? Yep. Just a cicada.
That's how it makes sound.
It's so small. Not scary at all. I thought it was a giant roar. Always check before you panic. Thanks, yellow dog.
This is a beautiful park. Look at the pretty butterfly. Wow, look at all the beautiful flowers. Oh no! Oh no, what happened here? Oh no, the poor flower. It looks so sad and tired.
Oh no! Look at this dry patch. I think I have an idea. That's a great idea.
Look at this. Labrador walks over, picks up the watering can, and carries it towards the water spigot. Look at all that water! Ding! Labrador carefully carries the heavy watering can.
Watering the plants helps them grow big and strong.
Look what Dobie has found. What could it be? Look at this. Look. The flower is growing back to life. Wow, look at the beautiful flower. It's growing so fast. Amazing! Good morning, Snowy Town! Oh! What is that?
Oh dear!
Oh no!
Wow, look at the big snowdrift ahead.
Oh no, it's blocking the street. We must be careful near large snow piles.
I have an idea. That's a great idea. Let's find out what's inside.
Look, a snowy day outside. Look, Labrador is ready to drive the excavator. I am very focused now. Look at this! Here comes the snow! Look at all this snow! Labrado worked hard, and soon the street was clear. Wow! The road is clean now! Don't steal! A fresh morning pink dog. The ice cream seller greets her first customer.
I want an ice cream.
Suddenly, Pink Dog's phone rings. She steps aside to answer it. Nearby on a bench, Black Bear is snoring when Pink Dog's footsteps wake him up. With an empty stomach, Bear spots the unattended cart, and a risky idea pops up. Caught red-handed, Bear bows in shame.
I'm sorry.
From then on, Bear must sell all the ice creams to make up for his mistake. Bear apologizes again. Pink Dog smiles and gives him the last ice cream. Return what's lost. A lovely morning, Pink Dog goes to the supermarket for her daily groceries. Pink Dog heads to the checkout counter, where Bear is working. After paying, Pink Dog takes her bag and leaves. Unaware, her wallet falls to the floor. Bear spots the wallet. Curiosity sparkles in his eyes. At that moment, Officer Labrado, patrolling inside, sees everything.
Please give my wallet back.
Bear gestures.
I don't know what you're talking
I didn't do
about.
anything. The camera clearly shows Bear picking up the wallet and hiding it. Realizing his mistake, Bear bows and apologizes to Labrado. Immediately, Bear runs out of the supermarket to return the wallet to Pink Dog. Pink Dog thanks him, Bear smiles kindly, and they wave goodbye. Don't eat spoiled food. One morning, on Bear's kitchen table are leftovers from yesterday. Bear sniffs it and decides to eat anyway. A few minutes later, Bear's belly suddenly grows huge. The news quickly reaches Officer Labrado. He rushes to Bear's house immediately. Arriving there, Labrado is shocked to see Bear's swollen belly. Without delay, Labrado drives Bear straight to the hospital. At the hospital, Labrado quickly examines Bear. Moments later, Bear's belly shrinks back to normal. Bear smiles gratefully at Labrado. Don't break the beehive. A peaceful morning, bees buzz busily around their hive. But then, the curious Bear shows up and spots an interesting target. And so, the bees get angry and Bear runs for his life. Luckily, the bees flew away, but Bear got what he deserved.
Thank you very much.
Sharing is joy! A lovely morning! Bear brings a big basket of cookies to the park, but doesn't want to share. Meanwhile, the Labrado dogs are cleaning up the park. Suddenly, a gust of wind blows. All of Bear's cookies fly away. The Labrador dogs rush over, pick up the cookies, clean them, and put them back into the basket. Bear shares the cookies with the Labrador dogs. They all sit and enjoy together, smiling happily. Save the water. It's a sunny noon. Bear is excited to wash his car. But something's not right. While patrolling, Officer Labrador spots water flooding the road.
Go, go, go!
Instead of scolding, Labrador shows Bear how to save water smartly.
Nah.
The car shines clean. Not a single drop wasted. Don't pick the flowers. A peaceful morning in the park. Officer Labrador enjoys his quiet time after duty.
Tiring? Aren't you tired of hoping the right
Right in front of him, Bear happily picks the flowers to take home. Officer Labrador springs into action. Caught Bear red-handed, ruining the flowers. Huh?
Hey, stop! Why pick flowers?
Instead of punishing, Labrador gives Bear a meaningful lesson.